In today's session, I'm going to take you through how you can increase your earning, your hourly rate. All right, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. A pleasure to have you. 3 videos a week. So if you haven't subscribed, do it. It's time for you to take your life to the next level. Awaken your entrepreneur so you can do what you want to do. Hi, my name is edjcsmith, founder of the Champion Academy, where we bring out the champion inside of you so you can live life on your terms. All right, today I'm in the Champion Hub. I'm just going through some stuff. I'm going to go in the studio in a second, but I wanted to pop into this quick video to really help you earn more money per hour. All right, because sometimes when people want to start a business or want to grow, especially if they're in a job right now, what's the next step that they can do to massively kind of speed up the process? And you've got to start thinking about your hourly rate. Now, a lot of people think that they get paid for the time they do. You don't get paid for the time you do. You do not get paid for the time you do. You get paid, you remember, write this down, you get paid for the value you provide. That's all you get paid for. You get paid for the value you provide. As you upgrade your skill, you get paid more. So how do we increase our hourly rate? Is we increase our skill. Now, a lot of people think, I don't want to take a course, I don't want to take a program, I don't want to train more because it takes me away from my hourly earning. And I had that problem too. When I was a young personal trainer, I started as a personal trainer. I actually started way before that. I started as a cleaner and I was working in a gym. And I remember thinking, like, I have to go and take a training course to become a trainer, but I'm going to miss hours. And I got stuck very much so in the personal training, hour one-to-one, like a lot of people do that get paid, hourly rates. They get stuck, like always thinking about how many, clients or how many hours they can get, because the more hours they put in, the more they earn. And so in order to get more skill, you have to actually take down your earnings first. That's the problem, and that's why people don't want to take time out of their work to upskill, because during that upskill period, they're actually earning less, and I totally get that. I totally appreciate that. However, look at it this way, right? If you stay with the same skill set, you can only earn a certain amount of cash. You have to sometimes go back a couple of steps to go a couple of steps further forward. All right, this one, you're gonna love it. A seed has to go down first to come back up. All right, sometimes you have to go back or down to come back up further forward. So you wanna earn more per hour. Here, you have to up your skill set. You have to increase your skill set. A doctor, a GP gets paid a GP rate, right? A surgeon gets paid a surgeon rate. And if you become an expert specialist in an area, you're gonna get paid more as you continually upgrade. Now, here's another one. You have to increase your positioning in the market. What do I mean by positioning? I mean, as in your association to other people that are charging more than you. For example, I started my consultancy therapy-based business and I was working in Hertfordshire. When I moved it into central London, and all I was doing was renting space in central London, all right, from Hertfordshire to central London. Obviously, if you're not from London, London is, it's got a higher perceived value. And so I was actually renting space in Harley Street and Wimpole Street, which are very prestigious roads where like all the doctors go. And just because I was in these prestige places, just because of that, I was able to increase my hourly rate because of the location. All right, Liverpool is the way top of the UK, right? Manchester, you'll charge less because of that location than you will charge in central London, just because of location. So thinking about your hourly rate now, how can you get into a better location? How can you associate with people in your industry so that you could start to become an expert and a specialist so you can increase your hourly rate? You get paid in proportion to the value that you provide. If you can start increasing your brand, increasing your expertise, all of these kind of things, then you can start to charge more. Here's my one last one, okay? Become an expert in a niche area. Now, just recently, because I'm growing this YouTube channel, I was looking at experts in helping me to grow this YouTube channel, and I had loads of different people apply. We had some from the Philippines, we had some from, India, etc. And here's what happens is that if they started positioning themselves as an expert, as an authority in their field, I was willing to pay them more, right? When you think about this, this is a beautiful one, right? You know, just because someone charges $8 and someone charges $26, right? It doesn't necessarily, like a lot of people when they outsource their work, they're looking for the cheapest one. It's not necessarily the cheapest one. If the $8 one takes twice as long as the $26 one, you might as well have spent $26 outsourcing it because you get it done faster, and time is your greatest asset, right? It's never coming back. So you've got to leverage your cash quicker and efficiently, okay? That is today's session. All right, welcome to the Champion Hub. Make sure you subscribe to these videos, 3 videos a week, keeping you on track so you can live life on your terms. Do the things that you want to do. Bring your friends on, comment below, let me know how you enjoyed this. Go out, increase your earning potential. Think about the value that you're providing in the market right now. How can you provide more? How can you help someone quicker, faster, provide a solution to a problem? That's all business is. That is all business is. Problem to a solution. That's all it is, all right? That's what living life on your terms. I'll see you on Winning Wednesday so we can get more stuff done so that you can do the things that you want to do. Till next time, no matter what happens, never give up on your dreams, and I'll look forward to seeing you very, very soon.
Make your dreams a reality so you can have the choice, the freedom that you truly deserve. Build your business, 10x your life, make a massive difference, and I'm with you every step of the way. So no matter what happens, you never give up on your dreams.